Hello, this video carries on from my first video where I showed you some of the data you can use to identify the competition in natural listings. I would like to go into a lot more detail on the data we got in the last video, so I will be making a series of short videos on several aspects to hopefully give you a good understanding of how things work. In the 8 years that I've been doing SEO, I have found out there is no one trick that will magically improve your rankings. The search engines change on a frequent basis, so it's important to understand the theory behind SEO so that when things change you'll instinctively know how to update your optimization methods. The heart of SEO is based around the concept that in order to decide what order to list sites, the search engines give preference to certain factors. Search engine optimizers study and analyze the data of the top results in order to establish patterns on highly ranked sites. The search engines change their preference fairly often. In the old days, link exchanges, doorway pages and keyword stuffing would get you good rankings. But today, due to the change in preference, these things no longer work. In these videos, I will show you my findings for what is working right now, but I will also try to give you some of my theories as to why they work, so that in the future you'll be able to adapt and keep up with the latest trends. The first point I will discuss is the ranking of internal pages versus root domains. One important thing to look at when you see an internal page ranking well is if the theme of the page matches the theme of the root domain. If the theme matches and the root domain has a high number of links, then this can show some very strong optimization. For example, let's look at the keyword car insurance. Now, this is a hotly competed keyword. You need thousands of quality links to rank in this market. But let's look at these two results on page 2. You see them here. You've got the post office and we've got the cooperative bank. Now this one's got 3 page links, this one's got 0 amongst a sea of websites with tens of thousands of links, even 100,000 links. So you can see it looks a little bit out of place here. Now you can see they've got very low amounts of links, but they're ranking up here the sites with thousands of links. Their index page links are very high, but it's not the number of links that are making them rank here. For instance, you can see you've got 69,000 index page links and 18,000 index page links here. But it's not that actual number that's making them rank. If it was just the numbers involved, then you would see hub pages and squidoo lenses ranking up here, and that really isn't going to happen on this keywords. The reason these pages are ranking is that they have relevant links pointed at their index page. In this case, you can be sure if you run a link report, I won't do this as it will take too long with the amount of links, you will see links saying car insurance either pointing at the index page or a subcategory set up with a 301 redirect to the page ranking here. This is why I check to see if the theme of the ranked page and index page matches. If it does, it can show the extra factors behind the scenes that are making that page rank and hard to beat, which is namely good related inbound links going to the index page. But it doesn't usually rank the index page, or if it does rank the index page, it means the index page is exactly has got that keyword on it. Sometimes the index page won't have that keyword on it, or information about that keyword, so it won't rank it. It'll rank the internal page, which Google feels is a better match. Recently, Google has been ranking internal pages on authority domains really well. I will discuss authority domains in another video. If a domain has lots of links, even unrelated links to their root domain, and they rank well, then internal pages on that domain will rank easier for any random keywords than a freshly registered domain will. This is why using pages on sites like Easy Articles, Squidoo and Hub Pages can be so effective. They give you an internal page as well as internal links from established category pages. Check out my other video on Hub Page test to see how I got first place on a competed keyword of less than 1 hour's work. Hopefully this video wasn't too boring. If any points are unclear, please let me know so I can further drill down with my explanations. I'm going to sort of make quite a few extra videos just on various points which are quite important for ranking or choosing which keywords to rank on. I'll see you later. Good luck with your SEO.